Hello guys, this is Raymond Grunchino and today I'm gonna reviewing Rose Sword Frostbite Vitamin Coating Series. As you can see, it's a fake, it has an auto-cartomy logo. Stars CB14, Rose Sword Rapid Fire Type. Here's the roll core. But on the packaging, it's not comes with the roll core, it comes with the rev core. So I'm disappointing, but it's really good because it has parts of processor, so I can buy a roll core. So here's the user. I don't know his name, I forgot it. So at the same you can see the machine shot, and then at the side we can see how you hold the Venom. The back we can see how you compatible to the other core. We can see the torque core, steer core, and roll core. So on this Venom, this has a 2.5 power, 3.5 control, and 6 rapid fire. So it's the combo. So in this Venom comes with a sticker sheet. Put the stickers on this back. I stick it again. And this instruction how you build this Venom. The tool. Barrel attachment. So I'm gonna showing you Venom itself. You can see it's the rev core, but the trigger is roll core and the roll core. So that's okay. Rev core. So it's always rapid fire type. This is using rev core. Some lows. So yes, I'm gonna testing out. Gonna get comes with one Vidama. I'm gonna put two Vidama on here and shoot it. I'm gonna use how you hold this Vidama like this in the packaging.
See? Yung nakita niyo mukha ni Bong sa internet, sa
whoa!
Na yun po
there you go.
Talagang lamog yung kanyang mukha. Buti na lang yung kanyang mata ay hindi naman bulan,
So make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it, subscribe, and thanks for watching.